Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which platform is widely used for hosting open source code and version control for developers? Is it A, GitLab, B, GitHub, or C, Bitbucket? It is B, GitHub. What term refers to a musical ensemble consisting of 6 players? Is it A, quartet, B, quintet, or C, sextet? It is C, sextet. What was Walter Fleming known for in relation to chromosomes? Is it A, inventing the microscope, B, defining DNA structure, or C, discovering mitosis? It is C, discovering mitosis. Who is Florence Pugh? Is it A, actress, B, singer, or C, writer? It is A, actress. Which volcanic lake is located in northern Iceland? Is it A, Lake Tahoe, B, Crater Lake, or C, Mavaten? It is C, Mavaten. In which 2 countries does the Dniester River primarily flow? Is it A, Romania and Poland, B, Ukraine and Moldova, or C, Hungary and Slovakia? It is B, Ukraine and Moldova. What is the unique reproductive feature of seahorses? Is it A, they are live bearers, B, males carry the young, or C, they build nests? It is B, males carry the young. What French sauce is made with butter, vinegar, and shallots? Is it A, beurre blanc, B, hollandaise, or C, béarnaise? It is A, beurre blanc. What type of investment vehicle holds real estate assets and distributes income to investors? Is it A, hedge fund, B, mutual fund, or C, real estate investment trust, REIT? It is C, real estate investment trust, REIT. What ancient structure is Rome famous for that was used for gladiatorial contests? Is it A, Vatican, B, Pantheon, or C, Colosseum? It is C, Colosseum. Who is a popular YouTuber known for her lifestyle content and entrepreneurial spirit? Is it A, Liza Koshy, B, Emma Chamberlain, or C, Zoella? It is B, Emma Chamberlain. What is the primary function of Telegram as a messaging app? Is it A, instant messaging, B, video streaming, or C, social networking? It is A, instant messaging. In mathematics, what is the primary function of an exponent? Is it A, indicate power, B, add numbers, or C, subtract fractions? It is A, indicate power. What type of musical composition is a cantata typically associated with? Is it A, vocal music, B, symphony, or C, ballet? It is A, vocal music. What is the capital city of Mauritius? Is it A, Port Louis, B, Curepipe, or C, Quatre Bornes? It is A, Port Louis. Who is the host of the political comedy show Last Week Tonight? Is it A, Jon Stewart, B, Stephen Colbert, or C, John Oliver? It is C, John Oliver. What part of the world is home to the Horn of Africa? Is it A, Western Asia, B, Eastern Africa, or C, Northern Europe? It is B, Eastern Africa. What type of television show is Stephen Colbert best known for hosting? Is it A, reality show, B, late-night talk show, or C, news program? It is B, late-night talk show. What is the capital city of Saudi Arabia? Is it A. Mecca, B. Jeddah, or C. Riyadh? It is C. Riyadh. What mythical creature did Theseus defeat in the labyrinth? Is it A. Minotaur, B. Hydra, or C. Cyclops? It is A. Minotaur. Who explored the American West and famously navigated the Colorado River? Is it A. John Muir, B. John Wesley Powell, or C. Lewis and Clark? It is B. John Wesley Powell. Which continent is bordered to the west by the Atlantic Ocean? Is it A. North America, B. Asia, or C. Australia? It is A. North America. What are hadrons primarily composed of? Is it A. Electrons, B. Quarks, or C. Neutrons? It is B. Quarks. What famous tower in Paris is one of the most recognized landmarks in the world? Is it A. Big Ben, B. Eiffel Tower, or C. Burj Khalifa? It is B. Eiffel Tower. What is the main theme of Eugene Ionesco's play, Rhinoceros? Is it A. Conformity, B. Isolation, or C. Love? It is A. Conformity. What is the title of the first book in the Harry Potter series written by J.K. Rowling? Is it A. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, B. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, or C. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire? It is B. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Which is the largest city located in Siberia? Is it A. Vladivostok, B. Irkutsk, or C. Novosibirsk? It is C. Novosibirsk. Which superhero role is Gal Gadot best known for in the DC Extended Universe? Is it A. Catwoman, B. Wonder Woman, or C. Black Widow? It is B. Wonder Woman. What did Ernst Haeckel famously contribute to the field of biology? Is it A. Quantum mechanics, B. Evolutionary theory, or C. Thermodynamics? It is B. Evolutionary theory. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Is it A. Wellington, B. Auckland, or C. Christchurch? It is A. Wellington. Which ocean is the Kara Sea a part of? Is it A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, or C. Arctic Ocean? It is C. Arctic Ocean. How many Grand Slam singles titles has Serena Williams won? Is it A. 19, B. 23, or C. 30? It is B. 23. What is Bluetooth primarily used for in technology? Is it A. Wireless communication, B. Video editing, or C. Graphic design? It is A. Wireless communication. What novel is No Country for Old Men based on? Is it A. a Cormac McCarthy novel, B. a Stephen King novel, or C. a John Grisham novel? It is A. a Cormac McCarthy novel. What type of dish is Sauerbraten known to be in German cuisine? Is it A. soup, B. pot roast, or C. dessert? It is B. pot roast. Which monarch was overthrown during the Glorious Revolution of 1688? Is it A. Charles I, B. James II, or C. William III? It is B. James II. Which famous Spanish artist has a significant collection of works displayed at the Prado Museum in Spain? Is it A. Salvador Dali, B. Pablo Picasso, or C. Diego Velázquez? It is C. Diego Velázquez. What is hafnium primarily used for in the industry? Is it A. Jewelry, B. Nuclear reactors, or C. Paints? It is B. Nuclear reactors. What is the title of the famous military treatise attributed to Sun Tzu? Is it A. The Art of War, B. The Prince, or C. On War? It is A. The Art of War. What is the primary function of the cell membrane in living cells? Is it A. Protects the cell, B. Generates energy, or C. Stores DNA? It is A. Protects the cell. What fundamental model of atomic structure did Niels Bohr propose? Is it A. Quantum model, B. Planetary model, or C. Solid sphere model? It is B. Planetary model. Which amphibian is known for regenerating lost body parts? Is it A. Frog, B. Newt, or C. Salamander? It is C. Salamander. Which YouTuber is known for their gaming content and the phrase "Let's play"? Is it A. PewDiePie, B. Jenna Marbles, or C. Shane Dawson? It is A. PewDiePie. Where is Stanford University located? Is it A. New York, B. California, or C. Texas? It is B. California. Which popular video game did Jacksepticeye famously start his YouTube channel with? Is it A. Happy Wheels, B. Minecraft, or C. Fortnite? It is A. Happy Wheels. What genre-blending style is Old Town Road by Lil Nas X known for? Is it A. Country rap, B. Pop rock, or C. R&B? It is A. Country rap. What philosophical concept is John Stuart Mill best known for advocating? Is it A. Utilitarianism, B. Deontology, or C. Rationalism? It is A. Utilitarianism. What movie features the song Lose Yourself by Eminem? Is it A. The Pursuit of Happiness, B. 8 Mile, or C. A Star is Born? It is B. 8 Mile. Which country was primarily involved in the Boer Wars against the British Empire? Is it A. South Africa, B. Australia, or C. Canada? It is A. South Africa. What does volatility commonly refer to in financial markets? Is it A. Price fluctuations, B. Market stability, or C. Investment return? It is A. Price fluctuations. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.